In today's world, everyone seems to be on a never-ending quest for the next big superfood. You know the drill. One week it's kale, the next it's acai berries, and suddenly everyone's blending up some exotic root they can barely pronounce. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful, underrated superfoods has been quietly sitting in your fridge all along, just waiting to be discovered? That's right. While you've been searching high and low for the latest health craze, celery has been right under your nose, hiding some truly wild secrets that most people have never even heard about. Picture this. You open your fridge, and there it is, a humble bunch of celery, crisp and green, often overlooked in favor of flashier produce. Maybe you've used it as a garnish or tossed it into a salad for a bit of crunch, but have you ever stopped to wonder what this unassuming veggie is really capable of? Well, get ready, because celery is about to step into the spotlight and you'll never look at it the same way again. Let's be honest, celery might not win any beauty contests. It's not as vibrant as a red bell pepper or as exotic as a dragon fruit, but don't let its simple appearance fool you. Beneath that pale green exterior, celery is packing some serious nutritional power. In fact, it's one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can add to your diet, and it comes with a whole host of health benefits that might just surprise you. First up, let's talk hydration. Did you know that a single stick of celery is made up of about 95% water? That's right, when you munch on celery, you're not just getting a satisfying crunch, you're also giving your body a hydration boost. Staying hydrated is crucial for everything from glowing skin to healthy digestion, and celery makes it easy. It's like nature's own water bottle, conveniently packaged in a crunchy, refreshing stalk. So, the next time you're feeling thirsty or sluggish, try reaching for a few sticks of celery instead of a sugary drink. Your body will thank you for the clean, natural hydration. But hydration is just the beginning. Celery is also loaded with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of antioxidants as your body's internal defense squad, fighting off the bad guys that can lead to inflammation, aging, and even chronic diseases. Celery contains a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, all working together to keep your body in top shape. Whether you're blending it into a smoothie, chopping it into a salad, or just snacking on it raw, you're giving your body a powerful dose of protection with every bite. And here's a bonus that's sure to make snack lovers smile. Celery is incredibly low in calories. In fact, it's so low that some people even claim it takes more energy to chew and digest celery than the calories it contains. While that might be a bit of an exaggeration, the truth is that celery is one of the best guilt-free snacks out there. You can munch away to your heart's content without worrying about derailing your healthy eating goals. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or just enjoy a crunchy, satisfying snack without the extra calories. But wait, there's more. Did you know that celery can actually help lower your blood pressure? It's true. Celery contains a unique compound called phthalides, which has been shown in studies to relax the muscles around your arteries and improve blood flow. This, in turn, can help reduce high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your heart health, adding celery to your daily routine is a smart move. It's like having a tiny green superhero working behind the scenes to keep your cardiovascular system in check. Now, I know what you're thinking. Phthalides might sound like the name of a supervillain from a comic book, but in this case, they're definitely the good guys. These natural compounds are one of the reasons celery has been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries. In fact, ancient healers used celery extracts to treat everything from high blood pressure to anxiety. So, the next time you crunch into a celery stick, just imagine you're unleashing a team of microscopic heroes, all working together to keep you healthy and strong. Still not convinced? Let's talk about vitamins and minerals. Celery is a fantastic source of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in bone health. Vitamin K helps your body build and maintain strong bones, and it's also essential for proper blood clotting. Just 1 cup of chopped celery provides about 30% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K. That means every time you add celery to your meals, you're giving your bones a little extra love and support. And let's not forget about other important nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and folate, all found in this humble veggie. And here's another reason to celebrate celery. It's a fiber hero. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and most of us don't get nearly enough of it in our diets. Celery is packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means it helps keep your gut happy in more ways than one. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. The result? Better digestion, less bloating, and a happier, healthier gut overall. But celery's story doesn't end there. Did you know that ancient Romans used celery as an energy booster? That's right. Long before energy drinks and protein bars, people were turning to celery for a natural pick-me-up. In fact, celery was so highly regarded in ancient times that it was often used as a prize in athletic competitions, and even woven into victory wreaths for champions. The Romans believed that celery could restore vitality, sharpen the mind, and even ward off hangovers. So the next time you're feeling a little sluggish, Channel your inner Roman and reach for a stalk of celery instead of that extra cup of coffee. Now let's talk about snacking. We all know how tempting it can be to reach for a bag of chips or a sugary treat when hunger strikes. But what if you could satisfy your cravings and support your health at the same time? That's where celery comes in. With its satisfying crunch and refreshing flavor, celery makes the perfect alternative to processed snacks. Try dipping it in hummus, peanut butter, or your favorite yogurt-based dip for a delicious nutrient-packed treat. Not only will you be cutting out empty calories, but you'll also be fueling your body with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help you feel fuller for longer. And here's the best part. When you make celery a regular part of your diet, your body will thank you in so many ways. You'll feel more energized, your digestion will improve, and you might even notice clearer skin and a brighter mood. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're making a smart, healthy choice every time you reach for a celery stick. It's a simple change that can make a big difference, and it's one that anyone can do. No fancy equipment or expensive supplements required. So, who knew that being healthy could be this crunchy and cool? Celery might not have the flashiest reputation, but it's a true superstar when it comes to nutrition and wellness. Whether you're looking to hydrate, boost your antioxidant intake, support your heart, strengthen your bones, or just enjoy a tasty, guilt-free snack, celery has got you covered. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook this humble veggie. Grab a bunch, get creative in the kitchen, and discover all the amazing ways celery can help you feel your best. Trust me, once you unlock the secrets of celery, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.